Hello, welcome to Hair Wash Friday with Platonic Rose, where I help you become masters of your own beauty and your babies as well. Today we're going to be making some pineapple aloe vera leave-in conditioner to add shine, texture, soften your hair, and then also thicken your hair. So don't go nowhere, and I'll see you in the video. So for the ingredients you'll be needing today are pineapple, fenugreek powder, your bamboo extra powder, ginger powder, emulsifier, aloe vera or the aloe vera juice, and then your shea butter, and last but not least, you'll be needing some hot oil treatment. So we're beginning by cutting up chunks of pineapple and then get them ready for screening. So a little bit about pineapple. Pineapple is a good source of vitamin C, K, and A. It also acts as an antioxidant that helps with inflammation on the scalp. It's really soft and it helps detangle as well. So the next ingredient, we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder. So fenugreek powder is good in terms of strengthening your hair follicles, which overall promote hair growth. I did make a video last time on fenugreek powder and other ingredients, so if you want to know most of the benefits, check out that other video. Otherwise, I can make a future video just talking about fenugreek. I'm going to leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description below, so make sure to check those out. I'm just making a paste of that, and that is going to sit out for an hour. So our next ingredient is the aloe vera. Aloe vera is really good in terms of soothing your scalp. It also helps repair dead skin cells from your scalp, and I'm going to make a juice out of that. Our next ingredient is going to be ginger. We're adding 2 teaspoons of ginger to our mix. So ginger is really good in terms of fatty acid that help contribute to strengthening your hair, and then it also help you in combating hair loss as well as restoring moisture to your hair. And then you probably missed me adding some bamboo extract to the mixture, and bamboo extract is really good in terms of promoting hair growth, and it acts as a good form of conditioning as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix all of these together, and then we will move on to the hot mixture. Using the double boiler method, I'm going to be using 2½ cups of my shea butter. So shea butter is really good in terms of just moisturizing your hair and promoting hair growth overall. And then I'm going to add in my cedar alcohol and my emulsifier. So my emulsifier, I'm using 1/4 of a cup, and in my cedar alcohol, I'm going to be using 1/8 of a cup of that, just for intense moisture, so I don't have to go back and reapply. And so you guys can see that looks juicy. I'm just adding my 1 cup of oil mixture to that. So my hot oil mixture, I've been trying to make a video of it, but I haven't been successful because the one that I have from last time, I still have it. So I promise to do a future video. So I have all my mixture together. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that nicely until it thicken up. And then I decided I needed glycerin just to lock that moisture in, because you know, it's me. And so I'm going to add on some preservative as well to it, and I'm just going to blend that until it thickens. So as you guys can see, it looked really creamy and so juicy, like a yogurt. So I'm going to cut my hair in this section, and I'm going to apply that leave-in conditioning in it. So I don't know why I keep saying conditioning. It's conditioner, guys. So I think I might have over applied my conditioner. That's just because I can't see at the back of my head, so you guys forgive me for that. But it was so nice hanging out with you. Please make sure to check out my other videos before you go. If you want to see how to make apple hair mats, definitely check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Stay safe.